Here are some signs you might have outgrown your home coffee bar setup. Having an espresso machine as part of your daily routine is rewarding and invigorating. Doing the same routine on the same machine is a pleasantly mindful experience. What are the signs that you're ready for an upgrade? But before we get into all of that, I'm going to talk about my coffee bar journey, from my very first setup to where I am now. It's been quite the evolution. When I first got into home coffee, my coffee bar was really simple. It was a Baratza Virtuoso grinder and a Chemex. That combo was excellent for getting started because it really let me focus on grind consistency and brew ratio without getting overcomplicated. As I got more into the hobby, I started experimenting with other hand-brewed methods like the French press and the siphon. Each one taught me something different about flavor extraction and clarity. Eventually, I decided to get more into espresso, and I paired that same Virtuoso with a Flair 58. That setup was a really good introduction to the hands-on side of espresso. Fast forward to today, and my setup looks a little different. I currently have a Linea Mini paired with a Eureka Oro single-dose grinder. It's definitely a big upgrade from where I started, but it fits my workflow and my needs really well. The big reason I made that jump was actually work-related. I occasionally cater coffee events and needed something that could handle high volume. The Linea Mini can push out 60 plus drinks an hour without breaking a sweat and makes it perfect for that. And on top of that, I really appreciate the temperature stability. That means that every shot I pull is really consistent no matter how busy it gets. All that being said, there are a lot of reasons why you might want to upgrade your home coffee setup, so let's get into it. Starting off with the first reason you might want to upgrade, which is capacity and workflow needs. This usually comes up if you're brewing for more than one person every morning and your current setup feels a little limited. It's also a factor if you host guests often, whether that's brunches, dinners, where you're making a ton of drinks back to back, you'll notice a point where your machine starts to slow down. And if you want to pull back-to-back shots without waiting for recovery time, that might be a sign to move up to a more capable machine. Now, that's not to say you need to go all the way up to the commercial capacity of something like the Linea Mini. There are plenty of machines in the middle that can speed up your heat up time or just speed up that back-to-back workflow. Next is power and performance. This is all about making your workflow smoother and your drinks more consistent. Faster, stronger steam power can really help when you're making milk drinks and particularly when you're practicing your latte art. Machines that maintain stable temperature and pressure give you more consistency from shot to shot. And if you upgrade to a heat exchanger or a dual boiler machine, you can brew and steam at the same time. This saves time and it keeps drinks tasting fresh no matter how busy you get. It's also just really fun to do. It's one of my favorite things when I'm making coffee for myself and my wife in the morning, just to be able to completely make her coffee, hand it off, and then make mine right after so we can sit and enjoy coffee together. Control and precision is another big reason to consider an upgrade. If you're craving more control over pressure, temperature, and flow rate, you may have outgrown your entry-level setup. Depending on your current machine, upgrading will allow you to fine-tune the details, experiment with different brewing styles, and unlock new flavor notes and profiles. It's really the difference between making a good espresso and making a dialed-in cafe-quality shot every time. Lifestyle and habits also play a role. Your drink preferences can tell you what kind of machine makes the most sense, especially if you lean towards milk-based drinks. In a shared household where everybody has their own favorite drink, a more versatile machine can serve everyone better. And choosing one that fits your daily routine helps you enjoy the daily process, rather than working around the limitations of your current setup. Personal growth and hobby is another reason to upgrade. This is one that I have a lot of personal experience with. As my coffee hobby has gotten deeper and deeper, I've found the needs to have more control over the details. When espresso turns from a daily habit to a true hobby, a better machine opens up new ways to learn and improve. You might be working on your latte art, experimenting with shot profiling, or just deepening your coffee knowledge. And if you're thinking of starting up a coffee cart or even a cafe someday, practicing at home on a capable machine is a great way to build those skills before taking it to the next level. If your current machine takes a long time to heat up or it doesn't hold temperature consistently, that can be frustrating. Losing pressure or reliability during brewing makes it harder to get consistent results. Upgrading in this case isn't just about performance, it's about reliability and peace of mind for your morning routine. I'm always curious about what folks choose for their home coffee bar. Let me know in the comments what you started with and what you're working with now. And even better, what's your dream setup?